how to turn on people you might know email notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on people you might know email notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner. Go down, click settings, and here in the notifications, and now just here you will find people you might know. Click on it, and now just turn off this one email notification, turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.